What's going on, guys? Mustang week day 3. So about to go hit up the beach, relax, get some sun, get some rays, do some swimming. Pretty nice day for it. So over at Twin Peaks restaurant area tonight, my buddy Drew Howell is hosting a meet. So we'll get you some footage of the cars that are going there a little bit. All right, see you in a few. What's going on, guys? Day 3. So we're about to go over to Twin Peaks restaurant for Modern Muscle Performance Meet. So I'm gonna take the car out, wearing my new Italian Stallion shirt. Thank you, sir. And gonna go hopefully catch a couple of guys over there. I know my buddy Drew Howell is hosting this meet. So we're gonna take the car and go over there, see what's going on, who's doing what. Yeah, burnout session last night was pretty awesome. Got to see a couple people I wasn't expecting.
All right, this turnout's actually insane though. This is crazy. What's Lucifer doing, bro? Chill. 350 with a blower.
So we're gonna head out now and go grab some grub real quick and then head over to the food area. A little bit of startup action just before we head over. So, gonna head over to Twin Peaks restaurant in just a second. You never see the P51 Roush ever. It's like a diamond in the rough. Yup. It doesn't matter. It's the seats. The seats alone are just so unique. Like this seat is a unique seat. You see how it
yeah, the bolsters.
The bolsters. It hugs you in that seat.
And it's for a 10.5-hour ride in the car.
It's comfortable. Yes. It's comfortable. It's just, you never see this. You never see this vehicle ever.
It's nice. It's signed. Golf cover signed and everything. Yeah, it's great.
Yep, there it is. Oop, there it is. Thought you knew. Sheesh. Oh man, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, there's one in Pennsylvania for sale right now. That's way cleaner than this car.
Doesn't matter. This is literally a unicorn. It really is. You just never see the P51 Roushes like ever. It's so rare. It's so rare to see.
Yeah, I know if you've run on the internet. It's quiet. It's quiet.
That's okay. What's going on, guys? Welcome to day 4. Today I was not expecting to do any sort of work on the car. Today we're going to be doing a fuel filter. So got the car warmed up, we're getting ready to go. Going to pick up the filter, gas up, and then go to my buddy Cory's house. So we're going to do the fuel filter today. Not something I was planning on, but is what it is. Part of being a car enthusiast and part of the world of dealing with cars. So see you short. What's going on, guys? On my way to get my fuel filter, I happen to run into somebody who has a Rowdy 50. The story behind it is very interesting, so we're gonna record the guy who owns it, and we're gonna talk about the car that it was to the car that it's today. So here we have a Pro-Charged 50. It's a 10R80. It used to be an EcoBoost, and here's the owner that did pretty much most of the work with, you know, family, friends, and a shop.
Yeah, so this was a 2015 EcoBoost with about 130,000 miles on it. Got a donor car and then went to work, 10R80 swap, Gen 3 out of a 2020. And then obviously later down the line we did the Vortec blower, trans, interior, everything's out of the 2020. So fun car, definitely better than what it used to be.
So it made how much horsepower, you would say, when it was just NA?
NA made 502.
502. And now that it's, you know, got the Pro Charger, what do you think it's at, or do you have it already dialed in at a certain number?
It dynoed at 704, and then that's just on stock fuel system with the booster pump and injectors.
Okay, it's nothing to smirk at. It's definitely fast. And here's his IG for those who are interested. It's a very, very nice car. Looks pretty well done. And there's the Vortex shout out right there. Sheesh. And there you have it, guys. You can own anything and you can swap anything. It just requires a donor car and the right parts. And once you do that, you've got a recipe for a car that you want and a car that you want to have fun with. So goes to show you, with a little bit of determination, you can do anything you want. All right, guys, we'll catch you later with more content later. What's going on, guys? I'm at my buddy Cory's place. We're taking care of the fuel filter right now. Hopefully we're gonna see a difference in how it is with the fueling. So right now he's getting to work on getting the plastic cover off and then the holder that holds the fuel filter. So this should take all of like 5 minutes. It's very simplistic. The only thing that's the difficulty part is the fuel disconnect from the front of the car and to the pumps. So we're getting this done right now, and we're gonna get this car underway. It's not something I was expecting to do during Mustang Week, but so far I brought plugs, changed the plugs. Had to buy a fuel filter, we're doing the fuel filter. Hopefully this is it for Mustang Week for me, just because I know what day I'm leaving, and we'll see what else goes on. But hopefully this is the last of mobile repair unit that you'll see this week, and I will see myself. So this is the Motorcraft one, FT1083. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna pop it off, pop it on real quick right now. All right, so here's the old one. Old one's out, new one's in. We're just tightening the cover right now. So this is definitely the old one. Yep, there it is. There it is, coming out. A little bit of fluid left in it, but prime it, see how it does. Let it run for a minute. Hey guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I kind of had to rush off before I could get Cory to give me some of his contact information, but I'm going to list it here at the end of this video. I really appreciate his help, and I'm more than willing to put his information out there to help anybody else who will be in need of work done on their car. So if you need work done in the Myrtle Beach area, this is the guy to hit up. Again, guys, this is my buddy. His name is Cory Byrne. This is his email, his Instagram, and his phone number. And if you're in the Myrtle Beach area, do not hesitate to reach out to him. He will be more than willing and absolutely awesome to help you out with what you got going on. So I put my faith in him. You should too. Great guy, Mustang owner. And thank you, Cory. I really appreciate everything. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.